So are you curious to know what are the best websites for web development? What are the best YouTube channels to learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end and back end? Best podcast for learning what's happening in web development industry and what are the recent updates. So hi everyone, I am Pranav Tambat and in this video I'm going to share some resources about web development like best websites, best YouTube channel, best podcast. So you may think, oh, I have to pay for this. No, you don't have to pay for this, and it's completely free of cost. It's completely free because of the geo thing has happened. So now everything is literally free on the YouTube. So I am making this video to save your time, so you don't have to go and search, and you can find the best resources here. So now let's see what are the first website for web development. So first is Mozilla Web Docs. So this is a website which covers language all about the language HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I want a website. So what happens? I have learned the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but sometimes I forgot some concepts of it. So I need a website which tell me about the IDs, uh, to help me to understand the tags and what attributes are used, all that stuff. So for that, Mozilla DevDocs is the best website, and it has blogs also on it. It will tell you about the new updates also. So that's great, I think. So now on the second website is Web Dev Tools. So on this website you can learn all languages for completely free. It has languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, uh, SQL, and much more. So and one more thing is here you can uh, see you can there is a live section where you can type the code and see if it's working or not. So I think it's a great website. Third website is GCFGlobal. So this website, it is very extremely good, amazing website. Uh, so if you don't know anything about computer, also basic fundamentals, so this website, here you can learn about that everything about computer and MS Excel, Word. So all you can learn about on this website. So I'm sure you will love this website. So check this website and comment down below your experience. So now on the best YouTube channels for web development. So in my view, the best YouTube channel is Traversy Media. So Traversy Media is owned by Brad Traversy. He has been in this field for more than 14, almost 14 to 13 years, and he had he has started a business hosting websites, and he has pretty made some very good courses on uh, Udemy and Coursera, and he coached for completely free. His courses on Udemy and Coursera are very good. You can definitely you can check out that also. And but his courses on HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, Modern AI are very best. And you can, as a beginner, this is the best YouTube channel to learn language and then build projects for beginners. So I think it's a great, you can check it out. Now the second best website is freecodecamp. So actually this is a YouTube channel by Queer Larson, and it has a so it is a free community of for coders. So basically they on their channel teach coding for completely free. You can watch the everything about coding you can learn on their YouTube channel. It's a great YouTube channel. And now on the third YouTube channel is Apna College. So this channel is started by Aman Latral. So here Aman Latral and Shraddha Reddy teach about computer and much more thing you can learn. This channel is in Hindi. If you don't good at in English, you can prefer these channels. Best podcast for web development. So the first podcast I refer is Lex Friedman podcast. So Lex Friedman has his own podcast, and on that podcast he brings big guests like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and Instagram founder. So you can learn much more on that podcast. It's an amazing podcast. So what I do, I learn a language, then apply a little bit of it, and then try to see if work it or not, and then again learn and then try it. So that's it. The way you should also try to learn. So the second podcast is Syntax FM. So this is a podcast hosted by two web developers, and they have interviewed a lot of people in web development industry. So on this podcast, you can learn about what is happening in the web development industry, what are the new trends, what people are doing, how people are getting hired, and much more. So they have interviewed a lot of people on their podcast. So you can watch this podcast on Spotify. Comment down below your experience about it, and that's it. I hope you have liked the video, get some value from it. For videos like that, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.